Welcome to Vital Link, Animal Health and Farm Prosperity. Today we will discuss one of the most important respiratory diseases affecting poultry worldwide, infectious coryza. This bacterial disease is caused by Avibacterium paragallinarum, and it leads to major losses in both smallholder and commercial poultry farms. Farmers often notice swelling of the face, nasal discharge, sneezing, reduced feed intake, and a sudden drop in egg production. Why is this topic so important? Infectious coryza spreads quickly, especially in poorly managed farms. It increases mortality and hidden losses due to poor growth and reduced productivity. If not properly managed, it can destroy the profitability of a poultry farm within a short period. In this session, we will cover 1. Causes and transmission of infectious coryza. 2. Clinical signs and symptoms farmers must watch for. 3. Prevention and control measures including biosecurity, vaccination, and treatment. 4. Best management practices that protect your farm's prosperity. So, stay with us until the end to get the full package of knowledge. 1. Causes and transmission. Infectious coryza is caused by the bacterium Avibacterium paragallinarum. Transmission occurs through direct contact with infected birds, contaminated water, feed, or equipment, aerosol spread in overcrowded houses, introduction of carrier birds that look healthy but spread the bacteria. 2. Clinical signs and symptoms. Swelling of the face and wattles, sticky nasal discharge and foul odor, difficulty breathing, sneezing, and coughing, decreased appetite and weight loss, drop in egg production by 10 to 40% in layers. In severe cases, increased mortality. 3. Prevention and control. Strict biosecurity. Keep visitors and vehicles controlled, disinfect equipment, and maintain proper hygiene. Good ventilation and reduced overcrowding helps prevent spread. Vaccination. Effective vaccines are available and recommended, especially for layers and breeders. Segregation of sick birds. Immediate isolation reduces spread. Sanitation, clean water supply and litter management are essential. 4. Treatment options. Antibiotics such as tetracycline, erythromycin, or tylosin can help reduce bacterial load, but must be used responsibly to prevent resistance. Supportive care, vitamins, electrolytes, and good nutrition aid recovery. Always consult a veterinary professional before medication use. Economic importance of infectious coryza in poultry. Infectious coryza, caused by Avibacterium paragallinarum, is one of the most significant respiratory diseases in poultry. Although mortality rates are often low compared to other poultry diseases, its economic impact is very high due to reduced productivity, increased treatment costs, and long-term losses in farm profitability. 1. Reduction in egg production. In laying hens, infectious coryza can cause a sudden drop in egg production by 10 to 40%, depending on severity. Even after recovery, production may not fully return to pre-infection levels. Egg quality may decline, with thinner shells and reduced marketability. This directly reduces farm income and long-term profitability. 2. Poor growth and weight loss. Broilers infected with infectious coryza eat less due to respiratory discomfort. Reduced feed intake leads to slower growth rates and poor feed conversion ratios, FCR. Birds take longer to reach market weight, delaying sales and increasing production costs. 3. Increased mortality and hidden losses. Although mortality is usually under 20%, every dead bird is a direct financial loss. Hidden losses, weaker birds, reduced immunity, poor performance, are often larger than visible mortality. 4. High treatment and management costs. Farmers spend heavily on antibiotics, vitamins, and supportive therapy. Repeated treatments increase production costs. Misuse of antibiotics can lead to resistance, making future treatment more expensive. 5. Extended recovery and downtime. After infection, it may take weeks for the flock to return to normal productivity. During this period, farmers face low returns but continuous feeding costs. In some farms, reinfections occur, prolonging losses. 6. Trade and market restrictions. Outbreaks of infectious coryza may lead to movement restrictions in commercial poultry farms. Buyers may avoid sourcing birds from infected areas, leading to loss of market confidence. 7. Impact on breeding and hatcheries. In breeder flocks, coryza reduces egg production and hatchability. Chicks from affected flocks may be weaker and more prone to other infections, increasing early chick mortality. If you are finding this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Vital Link, Animal Health and Farm Prosperity. By subscribing, you'll get more practical, science-based guidance on poultry diseases, farm management, and strategies to boost your farm's productivity and profitability. Conclusion: in summary, infectious coryza is a contagious respiratory disease that can severely affect poultry performance. It is caused by Avibacterium paragallinarum. Symptoms include facial swelling, nasal discharge, reduced appetite, and egg production drop. Prevention is always better than cure through biosecurity, vaccination, and good management practices. Treatment is possible with proper veterinary advice, but controlling the environment and preventing entry of the disease is the best long-term strategy. A healthy flock is the foundation of farm prosperity. Protect your birds, and your farm will thrive. If you learned something valuable today, please share this video/article with other farmers, veterinarians, and poultry professionals. Together, we can reduce the impact of poultry diseases and improve food security. Remember, knowledge is the key to prosperity in farming. Stay connected with Vital Link, Animal Health and Farm Prosperity for more expert content. Thank you.